amazing artists. Welcome back to Art for You with Mrs. Prugh. Today we're going to be learning about two contemporary artists, Dina Brodsky and Jessie. Remember, contemporary means that they are alive and working today. Now these two artists are artists that are made their living by painting or drawing very, very small, because the art challenge for today is to create small, tiny art. So you're going to learn a little bit about each of these artists. You're going to see some examples of their work, and then you're going to grab your tiniest piece of paper and you're going to create your own tiny work of art. So again, you can use whatever you have laying around. You can use pencils, pens, markers, crayons, paint, whatever it is you want to use, and you're going to work very small to create your mini masterpiece.
Remember those long summers? We played water fights, stayed up at night and dreamed of ways